Palpak yung system kaya hindi nyo ginamit o palpak yung system kasi hindi nyo ginamit? Usual problem to lalo na pag may bagong software o app na naisipang i-implement ang isang organization, lalo na kung involving accounting. Bigla na lang inaabandon na yung system kasi hindi nagagamit ng tama. Pero kadalasan, maayos naman sana yung implementation kung ginagamit lang sana ng tama. So sino ba talaga yung may kasalanan? Palpak ba yung system o palpak yung gumagamit? Honestly, in our experience as implementors, this is a classic chicken and egg situation. Kahit gaano kagaling yung mga users, kung bara-bara yung pagkaka-implement, hindi rin siya magagamit na maayos. Meanwhile, kahit gaano ka-smooth ang implementation, kung ang bibitaw yung mismong gagamit, papalpak pa rin yan. Embracing digitalization in an organization is a collaborative effort to simplify processes with the aid of technology. Kung yung bagong software nyo mas pinapahaba lang yung proseso, walang silbi yan. At the same time, kung ang mga gagamit hirap na hirap bumitaw sa nakasanayan nilang proseso, kahit gaano ka-high-tech ang bibilhin yung software, masasayang lang ang effort ninyo, pera at expectation. Invest in the right system, create the right mindset, and choose the right implementation partner. This is the power of accounting automation. If you're interested to know more, send us a message. Lagi tandaan, basta accounting, i-automate na yan.